Good afternoon, student. Architecture 110, quiz number 2. It will be Tuesday, October 13. I will open at 4:30, and after that I will close at 6:30 p.m. And the quiz number 2 will be on of the lecture reading after quiz number 1 until read lead lecture. This is the same like other quiz. We have fill in the blank, we have true false question, and we have multiple choice question. Each of them may be more or less 30 questions, and one of extra problem, and the problem will be 10 points. So if you try to solve the problem, you can get 10 points. I will ask you the plumbing fixture calculation, and if you want more detail, more information about that, you can open the TrueLife from plumbing fixture calculation. I have the example over there, and you can look at this to try to practice, and I think that's very easy for you to do on the quiz. Okay, quiz number 2 will be Tuesday, October 13, 2020. Time is 4:30 p.m. Exactly the time when you go to the lecture, when you register with this class, and it will be end at 6:30 p.m. You must email me before 6:30 p.m. if you want to get full credits. That means 100 points for quiz. Quiz will be included on of the lecture after quiz number 1 to read lead chapter. That means to this is the chapter. This will be on chapter read lead. And quiz number 2 will be published on Canvas files, and you can see the name like quiz number 2. After that, you can open Canvas assignments on the day, Tuesday, October 13. You can see that's open for you. I'm sent already, and right now not published yet until that day. It will publish very early that day. And finally, you can open that, or you can see the quiz on Happylife-truelife YouTube. This is the one you usually watch on of the lecture I post for you guys ready, or some of the True Life credits, something you can use later. I post on there. Okay, so basically quiz number 2 have the part on fill in the blank. I have 22 questions for you, so try to answer that clear with very nice lettering so I can read it. That's 21 question. After that, we have true and false question, and I have I think that is around 20, 30 or something, 30 questions, something like this. And if you read the answer true, just put T right here. F, you can put F, stand for false, true or false question, so you can answer T or F for each of them. Some people, like last time you give me like the letter look like between T and F, that means that's incorrect. You need to select either true T or false F. Don't write between that. I'm not guessing the answer, so that's why you got no credit for this one. Okay, multiple choice, like before we have two part. The part I asked so ABCD answer, so you can select the best answer. Okay, I remind you that's the best answer. And after that, we have the second part for definition. Is from the textbook, so try the best to organize idea in the textbook. I give you the page number with the title, and after that you have the answer right here, page number, title. So that's why you can read the book, open page, for example this one, you can open page 152, and this is how to choose the school. How, not how, sorry, the typing how to choose the school, and you need to answer. And we have 30 questions like that for multiple choice. And finally, I have one problem for you to solve. If you want to solve that, you get 10 points. It's about the plumbing fixture, and if you If you want to know how to solve the problem, you need to go to the chapter plumbing fixture I post on HTY, for you can open to see. I have example over there, so you can see that, and you solve the problem in here. Give me the answer. Remember, the question I asked is total plumbing fixtures. That means I need you to calculate for the regular one and for the handicapped people also. Okay, so finally, good luck for all of you, and thanks so much for watching this one. This is quiz number 2. We have one more quiz number 3, and after that, final. If you do very good, you don't need to see me on the final. However, if you do not really good, you need to do the final, and the final is 150 point, I guess. Check on the schedule, and with 3 quiz on 300 and a loss of the credits for every assignments you email to me, you get the credits. Is 10 points for each of them. Okay, so remember, we have 2 more days before the quiz 1. If you have any question, you email me. I check email regular and often, so that's why you can check the email if you want to to ask me regard with quiz number 2. So quiz number 2 is 100 points plus 10 points for coloring. I post on the Canvas file on the name is coloring quiz number 2. If you're interested, you can call a dash and email back to me by image, or PDF something, or take from the cell phone, and you can email to me to get 10 points. And beside of that, you can get 10 points from plumbing fixture. So totally quiz number 2 is 100 plus 20 extra credit I give you guys. Okay, so good luck for all of you, and see you next time.